Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the new razor blade style planes. Initially, when I was planning this video, it was going to be a comparison of the Rali evolution, the Rali 220 evolution, and the Ulmia Alu line plane. If I pronounced any of that wrong, I'm sorry. If you do want a quick rundown of the comparison of these two planes, the Ulmia is $234, the Rali is $178. The Rali is also out 8 pounds heavier. My answer for both is no. This video quickly became something that I've become very passionate about. These are subscription-based planes. What does that mean? So what that means is once your iron goes dull, you have to throw it away and buy a new pack of irons to keep using this plane. That means that you are essentially subscribed to this plane and you got to keep buying stuff to keep using it. And that's not really the case with all of the other planes that we see nowadays. Their irons have a lot more life on them, and chances are this iron will last my lifetime unless I suck at sharpening and have to keep going back to the grinder. But even then, maybe I'd buy 2 of these irons in my lifetime for this specific plane. That's not the case with these new razor blade style planes. Once that's dull, you got to throw it away and subscribe to keep buying more. We're starting to see this more and more in just culture. I mean, if you think about Microsoft, you used to be able to buy the program, it was on your computer, you've had it. Now a lot of that is turning into a subscription. Or even with video games. I'm a gamer nerd too, if you guys didn't know that about me. A lot of video games are turning into, you either have to subscribe to them monthly or pay yearly or whatever it is to be able to keep getting their content or get the map packs or get the new skins or the new whatever it is. Or you have to buy coins to be able to purchase those things to have more interaction and more advancements within the game. This, though, is a little bit different because when you subscribe to this plane, you're not upgrading anything. It's not like, oh, I can get a new side for this, and oh, I'm going to make this back more comfortable, or the horn's going to be more comfortable, or I can upgrade the angle or anything like it. That's not the case with this. The subscription for these planes is clearly just the iron. You throw them away, you got to buy a new one, and you have to keep doing that to keep using this plane. And I am just not a fan of that culture at all. I really hope that us as woodworkers, we don't dive into that too much. I do understand that there are things that we're going to have to buy or things that we can buy to upgrade planes and stuff like that. So don't take this down a crazy rabbit hole. All I'm saying is if you buy this plane, you have to keep buying irons. If you buy this plane, you have to keep buying irons, and that's a subscription I am not a fan of. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was a weird one, and clearly I'm very passionate about it, but if you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know. If you have a different opinion on mine when it comes to these having to keep buying irons for planes, please let people know that down below as well. Alright, thank you. Have a good day.